Coverage of CES is sponsored by us. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe for more coverage on CES 2026.
I own one of these. I actually own this one that has a mag charge, the mag connection, all right? This one right here in particular is 1 terabyte. This is the similar one that I own, but look at this. This is actually an 8 terabyte. And then what is this right here? What do we have? Lightweight, 8 terabytes. Now, check it out. M.2 frame, 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, 4 terabytes. Buy it before the prices triple this year, because they're also going to be tripling on this. So I'm surprised to see this in the open. It's like gold mine here. And here we are with another M.4, M.2 NVMe. And on this one right here, it's more lighter on this one. Less frame on this one. And of course they have 1 terabyte. This is not the Express. This one's the Express. This is a more expensive one right here. This is what your Nintendo Switch 2 would be using, all right? Remember, there's two different, and one's actually contains more of a heat toleration than the other one. The latest one that they have, look at the size of these, all right? This is a prototype right now, but this is how it's gonna look like, all right? And if you guys don't know, these are perfect for backing up your phone. So I backed up my phone constantly because I'm always filming on my phone, but today we're filming on the Pocket 3. But this one right here could be converted into different formats. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. They have a demo here, if you guys can see. So instead of capturing through here, you go actually save it on the system. Now you are going to need their application to run this thing, and this one is also a mag connection, right? That means magnetic, right? You can just plug in the back. It's ready to go. These are demos, but a little lightweight, and they do 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, and this one has 2 terabytes too. This is going up to 2 terabytes, right? But no price available, of course, due to the memory and the shortage on the actual drives too.